Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you geography and by asking you some series of questions here, and from there we'll get to answer the questions together. Also, the first question is this: which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? Any idea? Think. I bet you know it. The answer is what? Africa. What is interesting about Africa? Africa has over 54 countries, and it has over 2,000 to 2,200 languages. Despite having 54 countries, there are like countries like Amazonia, countries like Somaliland, and countries like the Western Sahara are not recognized countries, though they claim to be self-governing countries, but they are not recognized. Now, number two question: which country has the most natural lakes in the world? Think, believe you know the answer. Which country has the most natural lakes in the world? Correct. I believe you just answered it. The answer is what? Canada. Now, what's interesting about Canada? Canada became a self-governing dominion from the British Empire in 1867 under what? The British North African Act. That was when they became what? They became a self-governing dominion. And also in 1982, Canada now had what? Legislative control. Third question: what is the only country that is known that is also a continent? Any idea? Any idea? That is also a continent. Any idea? Good. The answer is what? Australia. One beautiful part about Australia is Australia is also, when you talk about the kangaroos, everybody knows kangaroos. It's just a country, marvelous country if you've been there. Australia. Now let's go. Which desert is the hottest in the world? Which desert is the hottest in the world? Any idea? We're in Sahara Desert, and I think you'll be thinking of that, but no, that's not the answer. Alright, correct. The answer is what? The Lug Desert. The Lug Desert. And it's located in what? The southern Iran. Temperature could go as high as what? 70 degrees Celsius. Really hot, really hot. You're asking, what survives there? The likes of the Felix Fox survives in this sort of area. Alright, next question is this: which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The land of the rising sun. Any idea? Alright, good. The answer here is what? Japan. Japan, after the Second World War in 1945, the country now had what made a reformation was in 1947 under the what Allied occupation, led by the United States of America. Then it now transformed into what? From the emperor, it moved to what? Constitutional monarchy, which means that the emperor became more of a ceremonial head. This time around, before now the country is more like a parliamentary system of government. And recently, that is on October 21st, 2025, the first female president, first female prime minister, Sani Takeshi, became the Prime Minister of what? Japan. Number 6. What is the largest country by land area in Africa? Any idea? I think you got it. The answer is what? Algeria. Beautiful country. With over 2.3 million square miles, Algeria, the largest in Africa, really large. Now the last question is, what is the capital of Mongolia? Any idea? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section.